In this video, we'll show you how to terminate 100-972 XL's Category 6 FTP screened low-profile keystone jack with XL's solid Category 6 FUTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper and multi-purpose side cutters. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper, score the sheath, bend to break it and remove the jacket. Start by removing the outer layer of foil with the side cutters. Then snip and remove the internal layer with the side cutters. Fan out the pairs, then remove the central X-shaped polyethylene centre with the side cutters. Insert the cable through the termination cap, then untwist and fan out the pairs. Following the colour code on the cap, insert the wires into their designated slots. Double check that the wires are in the correct position, then trim the excess. Wrap the drain wire 360 degrees around the base of the cap and trim any excess. Position the cap on the keystone IDCs, ensuring correct orientation. Push down the cap and close the wings, using pliers if needed.